Hi guys, this is Sunil and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to cover Ansible playbook. In my last videos I have covered Ansible installation and introduction of Ansible as well as the ad hoc commands, and we also covered the modules. So there are some some modules we have covered which is useful in our day-to-day life, right? Now today we will see about the playbooks. So for single task we use ad hoc commands, right? We already see what in case multiple task and multiple machine. So in this case, if you want to use multiple tasks, multiple modules in multiple machines, so we have to use playbook, right? Inside playbook we write plays, and inside plays we write tasks, right? Like for example, play 1, and there will be tasks. Inside task there will be multiple task 1, task 2, and so on. And play 2 also having tasks. Task 1, task 2, and so on, right? We can write play 3 in a single playbook. Right? So playbook is written in which language? This is YAML. YAML stands for yet another markup language, right? This is something kind of the key value pair, key value, right? And this support the series as well as list. Whatever the example of series, like value 1, value 2, value 3, and so on, right? If you want to pass in the form of list, so you can use like this, like value 1, value 2, and value 3. This is example of the list, right? And host also, we host in host, what we can mention, the list of the host also support list as well as series. It also support list as well as series. Okay, so let's write our first playbook. This is our first playbook called vim first dot yaml, right? This is the file, or also we can say yml file. Inside this we can start with YAML syntax hyphen 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 and then hyphen name. This is our first play. this is first play. Inside play we have hosts. In which host I want to do in test as well as dev. Okay, and then tasks. One play having multiple tasks. Okay, you can pass the task. This is first task. Then you can use the module over here. Let's say a module, and inside em also you can pass here the list as well as the series. So let's pass that like list. Em name will be, let's say, httpt state is latest, as we already see in our ad hoc comments, right? Let's say second task, start the service. This is our second task. Second task to start the service. Start service. Okay, so here what module you can use? You can use service module. You can pass the name, service name httpt. Right, state should be start. Save the file, and now how to use the Ansible commands to execute and run this YAML file. So Ansible -playbook, and then your playbook name first.yaml, and let's check the syntax first. Syntax check. Once you will execute this command, it will show you if your syntax is correct or not. If this is not correct, then you can correct over there itself, right? Then if you want to do a dry run without executing, so there is a command Ansible -playbook first.yaml, then -C. This is for dry run. Now if you want to execute this command, Ansible -playbook and then playbook name, and it will execute your playbook. If you want to if you want more information about this in the verbose mode, so you can use -v. It will give you the brief execution of this command, what is going on, and connection and all. So you can use -v, -vv, and -v and 4v for more and more information, right? So let's say in our Ansible server, okay, let's go to the Ansible directory where we have all the files and configuration. All right, let's write the first Ansible playbook first.yaml, right? First play name, this is play 1. Suppose I want to do this in dev tasks. Now this is my first task. Let's use a module. httpd state equals to latest let's make it more meaningful. This is first task. Listen now http. Okay, now second task name be this is second task. Restarting the service. So use the service module. Okay, restarted. Okay, now the second play. So you can copy this. This is play 2. So inside playbook you can write multiple play. This is play 1, and inside play there will be multiple tasks, right? So this is my first play. Inside the same playbook I am writing my second play. Okay, so here hosts, let's say I will do this in dev environment, tasks. Okay, name, first task of play 2. What we can do, creating file, creating the file. Okay, let's use line in file module, line in file module. We have to give the path, in path let's say home admin slash second play.txt. Okay, content Sunil this site. If you are not sure about the module, you can check over here. Take a duplicate tab. You can check the Ansible doc for that. What else the option you can use? Ansible -docs doc line in file module. Sorry, I am in the node 1. I have to execute this in master or control node. Okay, doc line in file module. Okay, okay, so this is the path, regular expression and all you can use. You can use the honor and all kind of things, right? So here you can take, so we are using this one, create equals to yes. If file is not present, then you can use the create equals to yes. Okay, So this is not the content, this is the line. You can see here. So we have to add this one line. And then create equals to s. Okay, so this is my second play. Let's execute it. So Ansible -playbook first.yaml syntax check. It will show you your syntax is correct or not. So there is no error, so my playbook is correct. So let's use -c options to try run without executing it. This is for try run. You can see this is the play 1. This is out from play 1. It's gathering some facts from the node, and this is the output, and it's saying it's a unreachable, right? This is for the try run. Let's execute it. So this is the play 1. It's gathering the fact. It's saying play and change node 1 unreachable, failed to connect the host via SSH node 1. So I think my IP is changed for the node 1. So let's check it. IP addr. Okay, my node 1 IP is now 1.9. So let's change it in inventory file. So node 1 IP is now 1.9, right? Okay, I have to use sudo as I do not have the permission. Okay, now execute the command. So it will fail in node 2 because node 2 IP may also be changed. So this is first play, gathering fact, node 1 is okay. Task. This is first task, installation of HTTPD, right? So let's see. So okay guys, this playbook is executed successfully. You can see OK is 5 changed to unreachable 0, failed 0, escaped 0, rescued 0, ignored 0, right? So it is a successful. So now let's see here. So from here we started play 1, right? Here it's gather some fact from node 1. We'll talk it about later. And this is the first task which we have written in play 1, right? HTTP, and the second is starting the service. And from here this is just play 2. Inside play there is again task gathering fact. First task of play 2 is creating the file, right? It's created successful. Let's see whether it's created or not. So here where we have created home directory of admin ls. So you can see second play.txt file is created in node 1. Let's see Sunil this side, right? This is the same output we have got from the art playbook, right? So what we do here, so you can see the bigger box, right? So for example, one bigger box having some small boxes. This is the second box, right? This is third. So let's say this one is play, right? Play 1, and this is the tasks. This is the task. Inside task there will be multiple tasks, right? This will be T1 and so on, right? And these are the tasks. Let's say this is task 1, this is task 2, and this is task 3, like this. And this will be your second play play 2, and inside this play you will have task, right? This may be task inside, and in task there will be multiple tasks, T1, T2 and T3, right? Once we will combine all these things, it will become playbook, right? So this is what we did in this example. Let's open first, all right? So what we have here in this playbook, so first.yaml is the playbook name. From here we are starting the play. So this is play 1. Inside this play we have 2 tasks, and then again we have the play 2, and inside this play we have only one task, that is to creating the file, right? So this is our the first example of our first playbook. Now in my next video I will tell you about the variables, how to use the variables inside the playbook, right? And after that we will talk about the loops, variables, loops, and then secret balls, and then we will start the roles. So stay tuned and practice your first playbook and let me know if you have any issue. Thank you very much for watching my videos.